actually don't work over there anymore.
Wait.
It's upside down.
Wait. Cross. Wait. Cross.
Look at that.
Wait. Cross.
I wonder if it's going to make the bubbling
Cross.
noise. That's one thing about these. They're upside down, not their usual.
Wait.
So
Cross.
they're also pretty faded. Look at that. Wonder when this one goes off.
Wait. To cross. Wait. To cross. Wait. To cross. Wait. To cross. Wait. To cross.
It's kind of dark, so I can't see so well.
Wait. To cross.
It's a pretty old one. Huh. That light right there is kind of faded.
Wait. To cross.
There might have been a pedestrian down there, but they took it out. And so is that one right down there. I wonder if it's going to make the bubbling noise.
Wait. To cross. Wait. To cross.
It doesn't come out from that little thing right there.
Wait. To cross. 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 Wait. To cross.
Wait a minute. That arrow's gonna go off, and then this will go off.
Wait. To cross.
Oh, there it goes. I think it's gonna go off now. Yep, bubbling noises.